Hello friends, today's topic beaten down stocks with great potential for upside. I am Dr. Bharath Chandra. Purpose of the video is Financial Educational Society. The last 2 months or so, many mid and small cap stocks have corrected even though the overall index has not corrected much. Some stocks which are rated highly by analysts have significantly fallen in price, hence may be an opportunity as per analysts. Economic Times has published an article with a list of stocks which are tracked by at least 5 analysts each and which have fallen between 15 to 25% in the past 3 months. As per analysts, these stocks have the potential to deliver 20 to 50% returns based on the average target price set by analysts. Since mid and small cap stocks have fallen more recently, the list contains such stocks. Stocks with good upside potential. Number 1, Credit Access Grameen. Current price 1055, target price 1604, upside potential 52%. 2. Union Bank. Current price 114, target price 160, upside potential 40%. 3. Mahindra Lifespace. Current price 507, target price 701, upside potential 38%. 4. Equitas Small Finance Bank. Current price 74, target price 100, upside potential 35%. 5. Birla Corporation. Current price 1238, target price 1659 and upside potential 34%. 6. Gateway Distripacks. Current price 88, target price 118, upside potential 34%. 7. RBL Bank. Current price 208, target price 273, upside potential 31%. 8. Prince Pipes. Current price 546, target price 730, upside potential 34%. 9. REC. Current price 539, target price 683, upside potential 27%. 10. Power Finance Corporation. Current price 473, target price 590, upside potential 25%. 11. Aarti Industries. Current price 533, target price 663, upside potential 24%. 12. PNC Infratech. Current price 452, target price 550, upside potential 22%. 13. Finolex Cables. Current price 1307, target price 1581, upside potential 21%. 14. Lemon Tree Hotels. Current price 127, target price 154, upside potential 21%. 15. Macrotech Developers. Current price 1203, target price 1405, upside potential 17%. The upside potential of the stocks is based on the target price set by analysts. The upside potential is for a period of 1 year. These stocks are currently beaten down as per analysts. For example, Macrotech Developer stock has fallen by around 20% in the last 3 months. Similarly, Aarti Industries and Birla Corporation stock have fallen by 24% in the last 3 months. Analysts are bullish on these stocks for short term. If you know technical analysis, have the discipline to follow all the rules, then we can look for buying opportunity and take benefit from any uptrend in the coming months. End of the video, here is the question. Do you think there will be opportunities to make short-term profits even when there is an overall downtrend? Yes or no, you may type. In case you are not the member of this channel, this is the time to subscribe, press the bell icon, send the video to all your friends. The video is good, press the like button. Thank you for watching. Bye bye. All the best.